Welcome to Tom's trade rule number 6. So rule number 6 in my book, never revenge trade or try to show the market that it's wrong. Just accept the fact that the market is always right. So never revenge trade. So what is revenge trading? Revenge trading is making impulsive trades to recover losses caused by emotional reactions usually. Revenge trading is driven by emotions like frustration or anger or disappointment. You want to get back in and make a new trade because you just lost some money. So you're frustrated, you're upset. So revenge trading is dangerous and it's counterproductive and can lead to severe financial and emotional consequences. So let's look at some of the reasons that you should not revenge trade. Number one, emotional decision making. Revenge trading is driven by emotions, particularly frustration, anger, or disappointment following a significant loss. Emotional decision making can cloud your judgment and lead to impulsive and irrational trading actions. Successful trading requires a disciplined and rational approach. Number two, increased risk taking. In revenge trading, traders often take a much bigger risk to try to recover their losses quickly. This approach can lead to even larger losses, as higher risk trades are more likely to result in an unfavorable outcome. So increased risk taking, many times you take a loss, you want to get back in and make that money back, so you increase your size or you try to place a trade thinking you can't go wrong twice. And that increased risk taking will result in usually an unfavorable outcome. Number three, lack of strategy. Revenge trading is usually based on a desire to recoup losses without a well thought out trading plan. Successful trading, as we know, requires a sound strategy, risk management, and a clear understanding of your plan for entry and exit. So your problems with revenge trading is you're typically not following your plan. Okay, trade your plan your trades, and don't deviate and let emotions factor in. Number four, what I call the death spiral here. Revenge trades often lead to more losses and can create a negative feedback loop where emotions then intensify, leading to more impulsive decisions and further losses. You get in this particular loop and it's a never-ending spiral, trying to get that money back, then taking a risk to put on a new trade that you really shouldn't do. So consistent revenge trading can deplete your capital, making it difficult to recover and causing long-term damage. This is often how people will blow up their account. Is they'll just start making irrational decisions that they shouldn't be in, increasing the size, and then all of a sudden the account is gone. And number five here, mental health. Engaging in revenge trading can take its toll on the trader's mental health. The constant stress and frustration can lead to burnout and impact your decision-making in future trades. The mental game is critical in trading. When you're trading for either a living or a majority of your income, okay, the mental game is absolutely critical to remain as emotionless as possible, remain calm, remain cool under pressure. Okay, so let's look at some things we can do to avoid making these mistakes. All right, so number one, just accept your losses and move on. Okay. Losses are an inherent part of trading. Traders should understand that it's normal to have losing trades. Accepting losses and learning from them is crucial for your improvement. Have a plan, stick to it. Just move on from losses and have the memory of a goldfish. Again, if you want that 10-second memory, as they said in Ted Lasso, it's absolutely key in trading. Forget any wins or losses that you've had and just move on. Number two, analyze your mistakes. A great way to avoid revenge trading is objectively analyze your trades and look at your mistakes and identify areas for improvement. Learning from your past errors can lead to better decision-making in the future. Track every trade and perform a forensic analysis either daily, weekly, or monthly. I don't know that I would track and try to perform a super deep analysis on a daily basis, but I think you certainly should look at all of your trades, what's working, what's not, what did I do wrong. But I would look at each trade, especially if you take a loss. What did you do wrong? How could you prevent it in the future? Okay, and be very analytical about it. You are running your own portfolio, your own hedge fund. Treat it as such. Number three here, stick to your trading plan. or stick to a trading plan. So having a well-defined trading plan, including entry and exit strategies, will help you maintain discipline and minimizes emotional trading. If you follow your plan, it'll prevent you from revenge trading and entering trades that don't meet your criteria. Stay absolutely mechanical in your approach. Number 4 here, a great way to avoid revenge trading is simply take a break. If your emotions are running high after significant loss, taking a break from trading can provide you the time to regain composure and perspective. Simply walk away for an hour or so for the day. Okay? Keep your emotions in check. Again, the hardest part of trading is that mental game. Okay? So make sure you're taking a break after you take a loss or two. You're going to see another rule, but if we take a couple losses in a day, we're done. Okay, so for the day, do not continue to trade on that particular day. But I recommend you take a significant loss, just walk away, take a break, and go back and analyze it later. All right, and then lastly here, okay, success in trading comes from the ability to control your emotions and follow a plan. Okay, you need to stay disciplined, learn from your mistakes, and let rationality guide your decisions. In the long run, a focused and patient approach will pave the way to achieve true trading success. Resist the urge to seek revenge in the face of losses and focus on the bigger picture. Again, I'm going to repeat the quote that's on here. Success in trading comes from the ability to control your emotions and follow a plan. Okay. I hope you found this helpful. Good luck in your trading. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them in the comments here. I hope you like this. Please go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. We'll give you more of these options. Good luck in trading. Have a great rest of your week. Thanks, everybody.